Rain and rough roads expose every weakness in a phone mount. Here are 7 handlebar mounts put through both to see which ones actually hold up. Number 1. Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount. The Lamicall metal extension arm uses a 2-layer vibration dampening system that combines a shock absorber with silicone airbags. Those 2 stages absorb vibration before it reaches the phone cradle, protecting the camera mechanism and internal components on rough surfaces. The metal extension arm connects through 2 1-inch ball heads and a safety knob, giving you precise angle control across 720 degrees. Phone compatibility runs from 4.7 to 6.7 inches with a maximum case thickness of 0.59 inches. The handlebar clamp fits diameters between 20 millimeters and 35 millimeters. The phone cradle face features a carbon fiber panel design. Special safety screws and an included wrench secure the mounting base so it cannot be removed without tools. In rain, the tool-tightened ball heads hold their set angle without slipping, a meaningful advantage over finger-tightened adjustments. For riders who want 2-layer vibration isolation and a tool-secured mount that stays positioned on rough roads, the Lamicall extension arm is the most structurally rigid handlebar option in this group. Number 2. JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount. The JOYROOM is the most widely used mount in this lineup, and that reach reflects consistent real-world performance across varied conditions. It uses military-grade anti-shake technology rated by the manufacturer to 100 miles per hour, a direct claim about highway vibration resistance. The 1-second autolock drops the phone in and secures it without any manual adjustment. Handlebar installation takes approximately 10 seconds. Phone compatibility spans 4 to 7 inches. The handlebar clamp fits diameters from 0.6 to 1.574 inches, which converts to approximately 15 to 40 millimeters, covering most motorcycle, bicycle, and scooter handlebar sizes. 4 non-slip silicone corner pads grip the phone from all sides. The 360-degree rotating ball allows angle adjustment and locks in place. In rain, the silicone corner pads maintain their grip on the phone regardless of moisture on the surface. For riders who want a fast-installing, broadly compatible mount with a clear anti-shake rating and the most extensive proof of use in varied conditions, the JOYROOM is the straightforward choice. Number 3. Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount. The Lamicall metal adjustment arm uses a patented vibration dampening system built around 4 damping springs mounted directly on a metal backplate. Those springs work passively against engine and road vibration before it reaches the phone, with no setup required after initial installation. The design is different from the extension arm model, which uses a shock absorber with silicone airbags. This model's spring mechanism operates across a broader vibration frequency range, which is relevant on rough roads where vibration is irregular. The metal adjustment arm connects through 2 1-inch ball heads and a safety knob with 720-degree free rotation. Phone compatibility runs from 4.7 to 6.7 inches with a maximum case thickness of 0.59 inches. The handlebar clamp fits diameters between 20 millimeters and 35 millimeters. Special safety screws and an included wrench prevent the mounting base from being removed without tools. For riders who want Lamicall's patented spring dampening in a metal arm platform with tool-secured installation and no moving parts to service, the adjustment arm is a reliable mid-tier option. Number 4. BRCOVAN Motorcycle Phone Mount with Wireless Charger. The BRCOVAN is the only mount in this lineup with integrated phone charging. It combines a 15-watt key wireless charger with a 20-watt PD/USB-C fast charging port, and both can operate simultaneously. A phone on the wireless cradle and a second device plugged into the USB-C port can charge at the same time. Qi wireless charging supports 15 watts, 10 watts, 7.5 watts, and 5 watts modes depending on your phone's capability. The USB-C port delivers up to 5 volts/3 amps, 9 volts/2 amps, or 12 volts/1.5 amps. The mount runs off a 12 to 24 volt DC input and ships with a 63-inch power cable. IP66 waterproofing protects the charging electronics and housing from rain and dust. The aluminum alloy handlebar ball mount and stainless steel telescopic arm keep the structure rigid under vibration. Built-in shock-proof silicone cushions the phone on rough roads. The one-hand, 1-second lock and release mechanism allows quick phone swaps. Phone compatibility covers 4 to 7 inches. For riders who want active navigation and simultaneous charging in a single weatherproof handlebar unit, the BRCOVAN is the only option in this group that delivers both. Number 5. Kewig Bike Phone Mount Waterproof. The Kewig is a waterproof handlebar mount that prioritizes 2 things: touchscreen accessibility in wet conditions and a rigid aluminum alloy base. The TPU touchscreen protector maintains sensitivity for swipe and tap navigation even when wet, which directly addresses a failure point common on mounts that use thicker screen covers or rigid enclosures. The aluminum alloy handlebar base provides a stiff mounting platform with minimal flex under sustained road vibration. The 360-degree rotation allows landscape and portrait positioning with a locked-in angle. Phone compatibility spans 5.5 to 7.0 inches, covering large format smartphones including current phablet-sized devices. The anti-shake design keeps the phone stable on rough surfaces. For riders who rely on active touch navigation throughout the ride and need consistent screen response in rain without removing the phone, the Kewig's combination of waterproofing and TPU touchscreen protection makes it a practical and direct solution for wet weather riding. Number 6. ROCKBROS 360-degree rotatable waterproof phone holder. The ROCKBROS takes a different approach from every other mount in this group. Rather than a rigid clamp holding a bare phone, it uses a waterproof storage bag as the phone enclosure with a 360-degree rotatable quick-release handlebar mount attached to the front. In rain, this design provides more complete phone coverage than any clamp-style mount in the lineup. The bag uses sealed zippers and includes a separate green rain cover for additional protection in heavy downpours. A 0.3mm TPU window on the front keeps navigation accessible without removing the phone. Phone compatibility covers devices below 6.7 inches. The internal capacity is 1.5 liters with enough room to carry keys, cards, energy gels, or small tools alongside the phone. Reflective strips on both sides improve visibility in low light. 3 hook and loop straps secure the bag to the handlebar or frame. For riders who want maximum waterproof phone coverage combined with accessible storage in one mount and are comfortable with a bag-style design over a bare clamp, the ROCKBROS is the most comprehensively weatherproofed option here. Number 7. iMESTOU Waterproof ATV Phone Mount. The iMESTOU is designed specifically for ATV and UTV handlebars, not standard motorcycle bars. The pipe clamp accommodates handlebar diameters of 1.5, 1.75, 1.85, 2.0, and 2.1 inches using 4 interchangeable rubber rings included in the box. Standard motorcycle handlebars at 7/8 inch or 1 inch fall outside that range, so this mount is suited to ATV, UTV, and quad setups, or adventure motorcycles with aftermarket oversized bars. IP66 waterproof and dustproof rating protects the housing from rain and mud in off-road conditions. Anti-theft security comes through a dedicated knob lock and a proprietary screwdriver. The mount cannot be disassembled without that tool. The base is made from 606 1-T6 aluminum alloy, a grade used in structural applications for its strength-to-weight ratio. The 1-inch ball double-socket arm allows 360-degree rotation for flexible viewing angles. This listing is the size S variant, compatible with phones between 3.5 and 6.1 inches. The TPU face supports Face ID and Touch ID. For ATV and UTV riders who need IP66 protection, anti-theft hardware, and oversized handlebar compatibility on rough terrain, the iMESTOU is built for exactly that use case. All 7 options are linked in the description below. If this helped you find the right mount for rain and rough roads, hit subscribe. We cover the best motorcycle gear every week.